Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is likely to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up and either make an expanding flat wave C, which would take it up above these highs, or possibly it's a running flat wave C, which would bring it down to one of these lower Fibonacci extension levels. Either way, I do believe that we have a pretty good amount of upside potential still left. Going down to the weekly time frame, a lot of the dollar pairs to me do look like they are trying to end the correction. The pound is actually still very, very weak. I still think this is very likely a running flat wave 2, and I think this is very likely a 1. I still am looking at this as possibly a wave 2, and I'm still looking at this as possibly going up and making a 3, 4, 5, just like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily, the daily has definitely made 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, and it definitely has made a lower high. Like I've been saying for weeks now, there is definitely a chance this move up is a correction to this last move down, and there is always a chance that this just keeps on going down. So we do have to be aware that this could just keep on going down. Looking at correlated dollar pairs, I am still definitely thinking that this is possibly a correction to the uptrend and that it will keep on going up, but we do have to keep all possibilities in mind. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, one thing that really sticks out to me is that this is definitely 1, 2, 3 waves up, and this move down looks more like a trend, and this definitely looks like a trend also. I'm starting to think that this maybe is just an irregular ABC correction, like this is an A, 3 waves up for wave B, and now we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, and once this wave C is completed, that's when it will actually end the wave 2 and continue up for a wave 3. Definitely doesn't have to do that. It could easily just keep on going down like I was explaining on the daily, but we have to keep all possibilities in mind. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally think that we need to still be looking for sorts in a downtrend. I actually think this is likely to be a 1, 2, 3. So most likely, even when we do get a break of structure, it's just going to be a corrective wave 4, and it's going to go down again for a wave 5. So I definitely do not see this thing ending anytime soon. We are back down to these lows, so maybe it will start making its way up to make a wave 4 correction, then go down and make a wave 5. Then if it goes up and breaks structure, that's what would tell me that this really is a wave C, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. If it doesn't do this, if it doesn't go up and break that wave 4 structure, then I would just keep on looking for shorts, because like I explained on the higher time frames, there's definitely a chance that this just keeps on making those lower lows and lower highs and just keeps on trending down, and that this is actually a correction on the daily time frame and it's actually continuing back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I provide with my members at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.